Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your name in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the U menu. Then we have to tap on our profile picture or on our name. Then we tap on our profile picture again, and here at the top we find name. If we tap on this, we can set our name to whatever we want to. Let's say it's James, and we can just tap on save, and it's going to be saved like that. Yeah, I guess that's basically how you do it. I think that's pretty much it. Just tap on your profile picture, tap on the name, and set whatever you like. And afterwards, don't forget to tap on save to save it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.